Hi everyone, my name is Charles Gerald B. Carcalias, but you can call me Charles. I'm 16 years old and I'm currently living here in Tagum City. It's nice to meet you all and I'm excited to share a little about myself. I'm currently studying at Tagum City National High School, taking academic track in engineering and student in senior high school. I chose this path because I want to build a better future for my family. In my free time, I really enjoy playing table tennis, online games, and traveling. These activities help me relax, learning new skills, and sometimes even connect with a new people. One of my strengths is friendly, approachable person, and I think this helps me in both school and personal life because it makes people feel comfortable around me, which helps in teamwork and friendships. My goal in life is to become seaman. I believe that with consistent effort and determination, I'll be able to achieve it. A fun fact about me is I love the ocean so much. I feel most relaxed when I'm near the sea. I traveled 5 provinces already. I can cook my favorite dish perfectly or I collect something interesting. One of the challenges I've faced is balancing school and personal life or moving to a new place. But from that experience is um, I learned the value of time management and discipline. I learned to be adaptable and to open new experiences. Moving forward, um, I aspire to be professional seaman who not only works at sea but also inspires others to follow their dreams. Thank you so much for listening to my introduction. I look forward to learning more about all of you as we go along this journey together. Once again, I'm Charles Gerald B. Carcalias, and I'm really happy to be part of this class. Bye!